PsyTricks presents How to Save More Money. Whether you want to enjoy financial independence and retire early, stay on top of your bills and expenses, or save up for a special occasion, managing your financial life better can make a positive impact across the rest of your life. By taking small, practical steps, you can change your life and start enjoying greater financial freedom. The first step: do your research before spending. It's always a good idea to do your research into any major purchases you are planning to make, such as deciding to buy a car, change provider for home services, or find a new healthcare provider for yourself or a pet. By doing this, you can take more time to make sure that you are meeting all your requirements, whether it fits your budget, and compare with other competitors. It also encourages you to avoid making impulsive decisions by forcing you to slow down the decision-making process. The second step: set up regular deductions to a savings account. Having a savings account is a great idea, whether you're trying to save for something specific, such as buying a home, or simply want to put some extra money aside for a rainy day. If you find that you struggle with planning your budget to save money after all your expenses, then an alternative is to set up a regular automated payment in advance. The third step: shop around for second-hand. With the proliferation of resale websites, community sale groups, and other sources, it's now far easier to find the perfect item you're looking for from someone who no longer needs it. This is often ideal for products that may only be used for the short term, such as baby accessories, clothing, and practical tools. If you find yourself in need of something new in the home, you may want to spend some extra time browsing listings to see if you can find the same or similar item for less. In many cases, you can make yourself a serious saving and even sell it back on afterwards to make some additional cash. And the last step: look for ways to DIY. While this might depend on your practical skills and resources available, it can sometimes be more cost-effective to make something yourself, rather than buying it straight from a store. This can work for small things such as opting to make your morning coffee at home instead of heading to a coffee store, or more challenging tasks such as learning to fix essential repairs rather than paying for someone to come in. This can depend on the resources you have available, though, and in some cases it can end up costing more time than money to do it yourself. So this should only be done with careful consideration beforehand. Guys, share in the comments your experience on how to save money. I look forward to your answers.